You and your team have been making great progress on the project to market a new visitor center in your community. Since it is an election year, several of your key stakeholders have been replaced with newly elected officials. What should you update first? Pause the video and answer the question. When I look at this question, a key word or phrase for me: several of your key stakeholders have been replaced, and also update first. When I look at the four answers, I ask myself, would each and every item on this list be updated because I have new stakeholders? A, requirements documentation, maybe. B, C, communication management plan and stakeholder management plan, maybe. Stakeholder register, certainly. So I'm going to say that I think all four of these items will be updated, and the real question is, which one would we update first? How do I go about solving this question? I go to the PMBOK guide, table 3-1, and I look at each of the four items. I think about the initiating column and the planning column. I don't focus on rows, I focus on columns, meaning I focus on process groups. Answer A talked about requirements documentation, which would be an output of collect requirements. So I'm showing A right here after collect requirements. Answer B was the communication management plan, which would be an output of plan communication management. Answer C was the stakeholder management plan, which would be an output of plan stakeholder management. And answer D was the stakeholder register, which would be an output of identify stakeholders. Again, the question asked, which one would you update first? I would update an item related to initiating before I would update items related to planning. Therefore, when I look at the question, answer A, B, and C all come from the planning column. Answer D comes from the initiating column, meaning the initiating process group, and thus that is the item I would update first. If you like this sample questions, join me on Facebook, join me on YouTube, or maybe some of my other books might help you. If you'd like to see 1,000 more sample questions, think about joining my online self-study program. If you need 35 contact hours, think about joining our new online workshop. This is Aileen. Thank you.